Have you ever wondered how monitors work? How does it display pictures and videos clearly and smoothly? Well, let's find out. There are two common types of monitor, the LCD monitor and LED monitor. What's the difference between them? Backlighting technology. LCD monitors use CCFLS or cold cathode fluorescent lamps as a backlight source, whereas LED monitors use LEDs or light emitting diodes for backlighting. LEDs are more energy efficient and provide better color accuracy and brightness control compared to CCFLS. Energy efficiency. LED monitors are generally more energy efficient than LCD monitors. This is because LEDs consume less power to produce the same level of brightness as CCFLS. Thickness. LED monitors are usually thinner and lighter than LCD monitors due to the thinner LED backlighting technology. Cost. Historically, LED monitors tended to be more expensive than LCD monitors. However, as LED technology has become more widespread, the price difference has decreased and LED monitors are now often comparable or even cheaper than equivalent LCD monitors. Picture quality. LED monitors generally offer better picture quality in terms of brightness, contrast, ratio, and color accuracy compared to LCD monitors, especially in newer models. Display technology. Both LED and LCD monitors use the same underlying display technology, which involves a layer of liquid crystals that manipulate light to produce images on the screen. Panel types. Both LED and LCD monitors can use various panel types, such as TN or twisted pneumatic, IPS or in-plane switching, and VA or vertical alignment, which affect factors like viewing angles, color accuracy, and response times. Resolution. LED and LCD monitors can have the same range of resolutions, from standard definition to high definition and beyond. The choice of resolution depends on the specific model and intended use. Connectivity and features. Both types of monitors offer similar connectivity options including HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, and VGA inputs. They may also include similar features such as built-in speakers, USB hubs, and adjustable stands. Now, the chemistry behind LED monitors. Semiconductor materials. LEDs are semiconductor devices that emit light when an electric current passes through them. The most common semiconductor materials used in LED manufacturing are compounds of gallium, arsenic, phosphorus, and nitrogen. These compounds are typically in the form of gallium nitride, gallium arsenide, or indium gallium nitride, depending on what the desired emission wavelength. Doping. Doping is the process of intentionally introducing impurities into a semiconductor to alter its electrical properties. In LED manufacturing, different dopants are added to the semiconductor material to create P-type or positive charge and N-type or negative charge regions, forming a p-n junction. Common dopants include aluminum, phosphorus, and boron. Electroluminescence. Electroluminescence is the phenomenon where a material emits light in response to an electric current passing through it. In LEDs, when a forward voltage is applied across the p-n junction, electrons and holes recombine, releasing energy in the form of photons. The wavelength of the emitted light depends on the band gap energy of the semiconductor material. Quantum dots. Some LED monitors utilize quantum dot technology to further enhance color accuracy and gamut. Quantum dots are semiconductor nanocrystals that can be tuned to emit specific wavelengths of light depending on their size. By placing quantum dots in front of blue LEDs, manufacturers can achieve highly saturated colors and improve color reproduction. The chemistry behind LCD. Liquid crystals. Liquid crystals are a state of matter that exhibits properties between those of conventional liquids and those of solid crystals. In LCD monitors, the liquid crystals are typically rod-shaped molecules that align in a particular direction in the absence of an electric field. Alignment layers. The inner surface of the glass substrates in an LCD panel is coated with alignment layers that orient the liquid crystal molecules in a specific direction. These layers are usually treated with surfactant molecules to encourage alignment. Polarizers. Polarizers are placed on either side of the liquid crystal layer in an LCD panel. These polarizers are made of thin films that only allow light waves oscillating in a particular direction to pass through. With these concepts and engineering and the rapidly changing technology, gaming monitors are introduced. One example is the Dell Alienware AW3225UF. It's a premium monitor that features high-end perks like a 4K resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and QD OLED panel, providing both outstanding picture quality and gaming performance. What is QD OLED? A QD OLED or Quantum Dot Organic Light Emitting Diode panel is a type of display technology that combines the advantages of quantum dots and OLED or organic light emitting diode technologies. It represents an innovative approach to creating high quality displays with improved color accuracy, brightness, and efficiency. QD OLED structure. In a QD OLED panel, the OLED layer serves as the light source, emitting blue light. Quantum dots are placed in front of the OLED layer where they absorb the blue light and convert it into red and green light. This combination of blue OLED light and converted red and green light produces white light, which is then filtered through color filters to create the desired colors on the display.